Square in downtown San Antonio. This is SA Live.
The sights and sounds of San Antonio. Good afternoon. I'm Fiona Gorstiza.
And I'm Mike Osterhage, and we are celebrating the tricentennial today with some traditional music and dance from southern Mexico.
Oh, yes. And this intergenerational group is helping keep this tradition alive. Without further ado, we're sending it over to El Tallercito de Son.
Wonderful.
Very
Oh, my
well
gosh.
done.
You guys are fantastic.
De Son. They, of course, will be performing at the Tricentennial events happening this weekend.
Catch your breath for a second.
Yes.
And right now we want to introduce Lisa Bankston, who is the director of the International Folk Culture Center.
Yes.
This is beautiful. And this is what people can see there, right?
Yes, it is. Tomorrow we will have our function at the Spanish Governor's Palace. This is the first of 11 different tricentennial events that the International Folk Culture Center is going to sponsor this year. The IFCC specializes in participatory dance. We do this style of dance, and we do folklorico, samba, international dances, Scottish.
So there's something for everyone if they wanted to get involved.
Absolutely.
How would they go about doing that?
Well, you could come over to Our Lady of the Lake University on Sunday afternoon, and I'll introduce you to some international folk dances.
That's fantastic. That's just beautiful. And Kelly, boy, that is... How do your feet hurt after you're doing that for a while?
I get used to it.
You get used to it?
It's been a long time.
Why is it so important to keep dances like this alive, the culture and the tradition?
Sure. As Lisa mentioned, it's really important to share these dances with the community. Our space is an intergenerational space. So we've got kids like little Mia, who's in the first grade, or Doña Lupe, who's an elder, a grandmother. And together they're able to learn from one another. So it's really powerful to see our elders teaching things to our youth, but also our youth teaching things to our elders. And what better way to learn about the very early beginnings of when the Spanish came to this country than through music, dance, cultura. And I think it's what makes San Antonio such a beautiful place to visit. And we're housed on the west side. which is just right down the street from here, but it's definitely a hub of cultura here in town.
And it's so nice when, you know, there's a little one sitting on grandma or grandpa's lap and they're telling them stories. And this is another way of telling stories, but in this case through music and through dance, right?
It is, and it's I think it's something that's lacking a lot of times. The first programs to get cut from schools are art, music, dance, if you're lucky enough to have a dance class. And so it's really powerful to watch our youth learn about their history and their culture, but also learn about creativity and creative expression, and learning how to dance, how to be performers, and also how to just be a good community member and how to care about people and your community and your family.
Well, a beautiful dance, beautiful sound, everything. Thank you so very much.
Yeah.
We really appreciate that.
Thank you so much for being here today. You can be a part of the celebration this weekend at the 300 Years of Community Dance in San Antonio event. It's at the Spanish Governor's Palace tomorrow from 1 to 4. Best part, it's free. You can go to SALive.com where we've posted a link for more information.
And don't forget, KSAT 12 is your official tricentennial station, so keep watching for more fun facts about our city's history and previews of upcoming events and programs that you can get involved in and to go see, like these beautiful dances and that music. It was wonderful.